I'm Ashley from Through the Loop Yarn Craft, and I am very happy to be here with you today. Today we're going to make the Espressoli Quick Cup Cozy. This cup cozy is super cute and, of course, super quick to make, and it's perfect for gift giving and market stock. We're going to be using only basic stitches with a little bit of a variation on single crochet. To make this pattern, you'll need 20 to 30 yards of number 4 worsted weight cotton, a size 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, your scissors, and a yarn needle. The size when it's laying flat like this is about 4 inches wide and 3 inches high, and it fits on a standard to-go cup. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to let me know that you're enjoying the video. And you can also see links down below where you can subscribe to the Loop newsletter so you can stay up to date with all things Through the Loop and even get exclusive sales, freebies, and giveaways. So let's gather our supplies and make the Espressoli Quick Cup Cozy. All right, so let's begin with our Espressoli Quick Cup Cozy. We're going to begin with a chain of 29. So we're going to get our slip knot and chain 29. Now we're going to join our chain, being careful not to twist to form a circle. And then we will chain 1. And we are ready to begin round 1. So for round 1, we're just going to single crochet around the chain, starting in the stitch right after our join chain for a total of 28 single crochets. So go ahead and continue around for a total of 28 single crochets, and I'll meet you back here for round 2. All right, so I finished round 1, and now we are just going to slip stitch to the top of that first stitch and chain 1, and that completes round 1. So for round 2, we're going to use a variation of the single crochet, which is yarn under single crochet. So when we do our single crochets, we normally insert and then we yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And that's our single crochet. But to get the nice X look that you get on these stitches, we're going to do it just a little different. We're going to insert our hook to the next stitch, and instead of yarning over here, we're actually going to go under and then pull up our loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. And this is what will give us the X. So we're going to insert our hook. Normally we'll yarn over. This we're going to go under and then pull through and pull through. Now this can get a little tricky and it feels a little uncomfortable at first. So normally I just slide right under there. This time I'm going to try and slide over and then just grab it. And as you can see, the X's are starting to form. This is a common method used in amigurumi to get the nice tight single crochets. So once you get going with this, it does get a little bit easier. It's just hard to train your hands to work when you're used to doing it the other way. And there we go. So you can see those X's coming along now, and the difference between row 1 and or round 1 and round 2 with the yarn under effect. So continue that around for 28 stitches, and I will meet you right back here. All right, so I have finished round 2, so I'm just going to join to that first stitch and chain 1. Now for rounds 3 to 9, we are going to continue repeating round 2 with the yarn under single crochets for 28 stitches in each round. However, if you do want to make it a little bit taller, you can continue by adding a couple more rounds there. So from 3 to 9, repeat round 2, and I will meet you right back here for round 10. All right, so I am finished my 9 rounds of the yarn under single crochet there. So for once we finished round 9 here, we want to chain 2 to begin the final round. So chain for round 10, this is going to be our finishing round. We're going to be using double crochets. So we're going to skip this first stitch. We're not going to work into that quite yet. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets after that. And 3. So now for our next stitch, we're going to work a double crochet going back across into this skipped stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that stitch there, pull up a loop, and go all the way across and pull it a bit so it's not scrunched together. And then we will finish our double crochet. Just like that. Now we will skip this next stitch here and work 3 double crochets starting here. And now we will work the 4th double crochet into this skipped stitch. And we'll repeat that all the way around again for a total of 28 stitches. and I have finished my 28th stitch, so we are just going to close that up there. And cut our yarn. Pull that through, and we are all done. And you can just weave in all your ends for that perfect finished look. And there you have your Espressoli Quick Cup Cozy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you like crocheting this pattern with me and learning a little bit about some new stitches. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button while you're here, and you'll be alerted of the next time I have a new video out. I'm so glad that you could join me today, and I do hope you enjoy using your new cup cozy. Happy crocheting. I'll see you next time.